Hi, welcome to the Hennasooq channel. It's Khadija. I am leading expert in henna hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. And every single Thursday in this great series that we're doing, Ask Henna Sooq, we talk about those answers that you're looking for questions that you just don't know where to find the answer. You know where the answers are? Right here on the Hennasooq channel. Definitely come right to our channel. Every Thursday we have brand new answers to questions that you guys have been asking, and you don't want to miss those. So what are we talking about this week? We're talking about coffee and henna. What if you use coffee and henna? What's gonna happen? What are the possibilities? Well, if you're sensitive to coffee and caffeine, I definitely don't recommend that you use coffee in your henna treatment. Caffeine can be a little drying, so if your hair is on the dry side, I still also wouldn't recommend it because it can just dry out your hair strands, and henna can be a little drying on its own. First of all, what's the purpose of coffee in a henna recipe? Well, coffee a lot of times can darken out the henna a little bit. So if you want to tone down some of the reddish tone, it can slightly tone it down somewhat. It doesn't overpower it the way that indigo does, but it can definitely tone it down some. And some people really love the way that it leaves the hair smelling. If you really love coffee, that's a really nice scent. So you can use coffee, but if you do, need more moisture, you're gonna have to incorporate moisture in that hair regimen treatment. You might have to add some aloe vera powder, some hair oils, maybe even fenugreek. The thing is that fenugreek can dilute the color a little bit, so it just really depends on what your focus is. If it's about coloring your hair, I definitely recommend that you just do it the traditional way, using warm to hot distilled water, and that will give you really great results. And if you need it a little bit darker, rely on the indigo. You can watch all of our videos right here on the Hennasooq channel under the henna hair coloring category. It has everything that you need to color your hair gorgeous and beautiful and make it long lasting. And if you're just looking for a treatment, like something new and fun and different, so you can use coffee. Usually when you're using the coffee, you probably are gonna either use instant granules or you're gonna brew some espresso. You could do that. Again, just note that it's gonna be caffeine that you're also adding to that recipe at the same time. But just add any moisturizing ingredients that you need. Like I mentioned, aloe, hair oil, fenugreek. Just make sure it's well balanced. If you want to use coffee, yogurt's great, shea butter, cocoa butter. If you just want a protein treatment, with some coffee to try something new and some fun with it, you could definitely check that out. So have you ever used coffee in your henna recipe? Or what about any Ayurvedic recipe? Have you ever used coffee, and what did you think? What were your results? Was it good? Was it bad? Share in the comments below and let us know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because remember, I have videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and you don't want to miss those videos. I always have something new coming out, either new hair recipe or new reaction video, so don't miss out because you're gonna love what's coming up.